Madhavpur, where the land of the West India welcomes guests from the Northeast to celebrate the marriage of Devi Rukmini and Shri Krishna. Celebrating this divine union, the government of Gujarat has organized a grand Madhavpur Fair from the 6th to the 10th of April. Cultural programs will also be organized in Surat, Vadodara, Ahmedabad and Somnath from the 1st to the 5th of April. This fair aims to establish Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's spirit of Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat and celebrate the unique confluence of diverse cultures. The Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Patel, will inaugurate the fair. Witness the largest fusion cultural performances by over 1,600 artists and rejoice in rituals and the vibrant Shobha Yatra. Enjoy various beat spots and visit unique handicraft stalls. Be a part of this grand Madhavpur Fair.